Hello everybody, and today we are going to open another Fill the Fridge, and I have the fridge right here. So you guys can open the shop and get right into it right now. I have a short throat right now, so if my voice sounds weird or I'm not talking as I normally would, that's why my throat hurts. The awful amount, like, not super painful, but definitely not good. Yeah, definitely. Oh, that did not feel good. We have another magnet, and it's an ice cream cone. Bam. Okay, we have the Ooh, we have an item. What do we have here? The Terminator shot. Can you read this? T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C. Shot. Never heard of this. Put it here. Okay, open this one up, and we have a yam chop. We have some yam chops. 2. We have a yellow package now, which is Pizza Hut. With a good old pepperoni pizza. Oh, wait. There we are. Go here. Open this one up. And it is another Pizza Hut item. What is this one, though? Open up. Come on. What? Why can't I open this one, though? Is there nothing in here? Maybe I can't open this one. Okay, maybe I can't open this one, but we have another Pizza Hut item. Okay? Now this one is eggs. We have some fresh eggs. Yeah, but definitely not yeast. We have whipped cream. Cool whip. Original. Now we be finding a place to put everything. I'm gonna take some items out though. I mean, I dropped something. Okay, I'm gonna take these out. Okay. Okay. Fold this up. Put it here. Now where would I put the eggs? I'll put them up here. I'll put the pizza box here with the Panda Express. The other Pizza Hut box should of course go on top of those two. The yam chops, maybe those are refrigerated, so I'll put them down here in this compartment here. Close it up. Okay. The sauce can go on the side door. And now the Cool Whip can just sit here. This is the fridge. Oh wait, what about this pizza box? Oh, there's another pizza. Man, it looks like whoever owns this fridge really loves Pizza Hut. I do love my pizza. I like crazy puffs. So yeah. But yeah, I guess I should mark off the items on the list. So, okay. Tool Whip. We got that. Okay. We got pepperoni pizza, which is, well, I don't know which one it is. I'm gonna say it's this one. Oh, and I guess I can't open it because it would be on here then. Okay, yeah, chops. Any desserts? No. Anything else I recognize? That would be a Noparella. Okay, guys. Well, if that's all we have, I'm gonna bid you guys adieu. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Put a human place, have a human